Hi, my name is James. I work at the Leonard Cheshire Social Bean Cafe. I work on the e-commerce side of things. Yeah, I'm very much sort of the direct link between the customers and the product. Before I got involved with Leonard Cheshire, unfortunately, there were difficulties with my mental health, which I had throughout the end of my education. Like, I did get a university degree, but I continued to struggle with my mental health, and I was struggling to get that kind of support, that kind of boost I needed to help with my mental health and ultimately get me back into regular employment. It was very much a kind of difficult situation of a vicious circle of not being able to find it, feeling worse about it, and that fueling my anxieties.
My name's Kida. I'm the Employability Coordinator for the Active Inclusion Programme Changing Futures in Swansea. So Changing Futures is an active inclusion programme funded through EU funds. We work with people aged 18 upwards. Since taking part in the project, I've seen a huge change in James. He's really come on in regards to his confidence. He has much more of an outgoing personality. His anxiety has certainly started to diminish. The difference between our project and conventional employment support is the one-to-one aspect. We can actually work at their pace rather than some prescriptive applied programme. So it's much slower, it's more holistic, and it's paced to the client's needs.
I do think, especially during the pandemic, I'm not sure I'd be working. It's, who's to say really, but I certainly think Leonard Cheshire has been a big part of helping me get back on my feet. To be working again, it's such a boost to self-assurance, my confidence, and it's a wonderful kind of feeling like I did get here myself, but also with help to boost me along. And it just feels so reaffirming to be back working again.
If you're thinking about setting up an active inclusion programme, then I would suggest certainly read through the case studies. These programmes really work and they really do change lives.